All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, talk about Splash, talk about Drip Network. Today we're talking about Bitcoin. That's right. Bitcoin is up really good right this second. Really happy to see the Bitcoin going back up. We're going to go to their website, check out some articles, and also, can Bitcoin be your savior in the future in the new world order? We're going to find this out. Also, we're going to go over to Splassive. This is one of the projects that I'm doing. Again, do your own research, just sharing this with you. But it pays 360%, 2% a day for 180 days. We're going to go over to that for a little bit. And then also we're also going to talk about Robinhood extending their hours and making better hours for trading, which is fantastic because I know a lot of people don't like that it was shortened at the beginning, shortened at the end. They had a real, like, here's what you actually normally got, but with Robinhood you got this. Well, now they're extending their hours. Wow, imagine that. And their platform is down this year, so this could be a good thing for the Robinhood. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. There's all kinds of sites that you can sign up and get your Bitcoin for free. That BlockFi credit card, you can get your rewards back in for free. Get your rewards in Bitcoin. All right. Don't forget to hit that like button. All right, let's go ahead and head over to Bitcoin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is number one as always. It is traded at $47,319. It's nice to be at that 47. Take a look at this. It's up. Ding, 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 ding. It's up 11.5% in the last 7 days. Just super awesome to see. Why we're here, Ethereum is up 14% also, being traded at $33.85. Clicking it. All right, up here, Bitcoin. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. $47,319. Going down here to the chart, here's what it looks like in the last 24 hours. It's up and down, but the most important number in the last 7 days, take a look at that. It was down here at 41,000, and it has grown all the way to $47,320. All right, over here at the website, Bitcoin, bitcoin.org. Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money. So everybody's heard of Bitcoin. Everybody knows about Bitcoin. It's the granddaddy of them all. Get started with Bitcoin. Bitcoin users are peer-to-peer technology to operate no central authority of banks, managing transactions, and Bitcoin is carried out collectively by the network. Bitcoin is an open source. It is designed public. Nobody owns or controls Bitcoin, and everybody can take part. That's going to be pretty good when we go to this next article. Through many of the unique properties, Bitcoin allows exciting use that could not be covered by any previous payment system. Fast peer-to-peer transaction. Going over here. Can Bitcoin be your savior in the new world order? Will Bitcoin save everybody? Let's see here. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that undoubtedly take the world by storm. The bull run of 2021 saw a massive inflow of new investors looking to make their first big break. However, the importance of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general goes beyond making a buck, but rather into changing the global economy norm. Now, we are aware of the dominance held by the US dollar in the global politicals and economics. However, it is seen in recent times the USD has lost a big chunk of the foothold. China and the Saudi Arabians have accelerated ongoing talks to price oil contracts in yuan rather than in greenbacks, yuan, indicating that the dollar-centric global financial system is under severe strain. Petroleum conversations have begun ongoing for 6 years and were now prompted by the event of the Ukraine, according to the Wall Street Journal. They have made accelerated by the Russian war by the Middle East strategies in the recent months. The Saudi Arabia potential allowing China to pay for oil in yuan, rock the world order, and especially the petrodollar world order. Dollar continually falls. Worldwide trading reserves currency has an importance for the U.S. economy and will make neutral or non-state monetary networks such as Bitcoin. Here's where Bitcoin comes in. More valuable to a wider range of participants. However, the current shift is causing a structural issue. Oil sales aids in the global market around the single currency. If U.S. loosens its links with the OPEC, the major dollar trading node, as well as the broader dollar network, will almost certainly divide and collapse. Bitcoin to the rescue. So this is where Bitcoin kind of comes in. With sanctions hitting Russia, the country has already revealed that it's opening to discuss the acceptance of Bitcoin for oil. India has recently made big purchases of discount Russian oil using India rupees. Oil is not one of the sanctioned items. There's no backleash from the NATO countries regarding the deal. We've already begun seeing Bitcoin become legal tender in El Salvador. Moreover, an increasing numbers of businesses have begun accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. Hence, the global Bitcoin adoption isn't all that unprecedented. It could happen, everybody. Additionally, the giant financial institution JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs are already offering Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investments options to their clients. So yeah, everybody, guess what? Bitcoin right here for the whole entire world. It could happen. Will Bitcoin be your savior in the new world order? Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you like the Bitcoin? I mean, if you're into cryptocurrency, take a look right here. See that right there? The Bitcoin? Bitcoin is big. It's the granddaddy of them all. Everything is always trying to outdo the Bitcoin. But the Bitcoin's at a huge price, and nothing else is close to that right this second. All right, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Okay, so as the gas prices are higher, as the war is going on, as all these different things are going on, people are looking for ways to pick up overtime, side hustles, cryptocurrency projects. On this channel, we actually talk about projects. We're going to go over to Splassive. It's kind of like a drip network. It just launched, a month ago, 3 weeks ago. It's 2% a day instead of 1%. But for 180 days instead of 365. So let's head over to Splassive real quick. So we're over here at the Splassive website, the next passive income printer on the Avalanche network, right on the website. We're on the home page. It talks about the number of players. There's about 6,000 people playing. The daily return is 2%. The maximum supply transactions are 42. So talking about the chart, Splassive's at $38 right this second. So doing pretty good right there. Like seeing that. Going over to the Splassive price, the Avalanche, and Splassive. Over here, you can buy your Splash tokens right here. You can sell your Splash tokens right here. So that's kind of good. Actually, see if I wanted to sell it. And I hit my balance. And I hit sell. Just to kind of show you this. All right, I've got to pay my AVAX, confirm. Waiting for the transaction to be confirmed. So we're taking our Splassive and turning it into AVAX. All right, your sell is confirmed. That's how easy that is. Showed you that. All right, going over to the tap here. So this is a little project for me. Got about 36 deposits in here. I got $1,400. So 2% a day is $28 a day. Right now, I claimed it a little bit ago. I got $1.84 in there. Total claims is 10 claims, $421. My max payout is $130. So you take the $130 and you subtract the 10. I got 120 more payouts to go. And this $1,400 is going to turn into this $5,000, it says. Now, of course, the price can go up and down. Got one person on my team. I'll leave my link in the bottom if you want to join the team. But it talks about how you can manage everything, the current wave starters, check out who's in Splash, team tools, and everything all about it. So just wanted to kind of do a little deep dive of the Splassive. The Splash pad is coming soon. All right, so 2% a day. What do I got? 1,400 in there. So I'm making like $28 a day passive income. I can claim that money, or I can claim it, and I can also hydrate it or compound it and put it back in the system, depending on what I want to do. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right. How about Robinhood? Add an extra time to their actual being able to buy the cryptocurrency. Let's check it out. This one's a big one. Robinhood adds 4 additional hours to extend trading for clients. Pretty big. Robinhood on Tuesday is now providing trading from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Good job, Robinhood. Until Tuesday, Robinhood offered 30 minutes before it opened and 2 hours after the closing. The customers are looking for more. So here you go. You got Robinhood. Welcome to the new Wall Street. So you got Robinhood right here. Pretty good there. As some Robinhood clients head back to the office following the pandemic, the stock trading app, which has experienced slowdowns in the volume this year, is now offering extra hours in the morning and evening for investors. Wow. Robinhood Tuesday is adding 4 extra hours of trading in the push to eventually provide 24/7. Wow, if they ever provide 24/7, that'd be really good. Robinhood said it will be available from 7 in the morning to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until Tuesday, Robinhood offered 30 minutes before and 2 hours after. We knew that. U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. and closes at 4. Of the regular session, extended trading was allowed as early as 4 a.m. and goes as late as 8 p.m. And some electrical brokers do offer extended access. Our customers often tell us they're working and preoccupied during regular hours, limited the ability to invest on their own schedule and evaluate and react to important market news. Yeah, that is true. When people have regular 9 to 5s, they can't really be on there at their job analyzing this and that. So providing some extra hours is a pretty good thing. Robinhood said, Tuesday, our new extended trading hours will give them more opportunities to manage their portfolio at a convenient time for them, whether it's in the morning or in the evening. So right here again, Robinhood adds 4 additional hours to extended tradings for clients. All right, everybody, I think that's fantastic for Robinhood. Good job on that. Splash of 2%. Bitcoin back up at the high 40s. Let's head over and do a price prediction. Don't forget to hit the like button. Take your finger out and smash it. All right, over here at Bitcoin on the chart, $47,200. Now this token, let's take a look here in the last month here. Well, let's say in the last month, it's been down to 37,000, so about 37,000 is a low, and it's back up to 47. 3 months ago, 37, 35. What about this one right here? Right here, oh, 33,000. So it's doing real good. What's our price prediction? Keep an eye on it. 47.2. I think Bitcoin could go up to 47.5. But a lot of good things are going on right now with this coin being up. Pretty happy about everything. Taking a look at it being over 11% up. And again, Ethereum up over 13% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin is up. Fantastic. Splash of 2%. Robinhood extended hours. All kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Splash. Get 2% a day. Put a little link in the bottom if you need a buddy. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And we will see you a little bit later on today.